Hey guys, welcome back to Aaron's Marble Works. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a little deeper look at how to caulk in a cultured marble shower. We're going to be doing the silicone and the acrylic caulking, commonly referred to as latex or painter's caulking. So stick around if you'd like to see the entire process from start to finish. And also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit that like button. So now that we have the entire shower cleaned and thoroughly dried using a rag with acetone that you can purchase at your home improvement store, we're going to start by running the silicone caulking. So I'm just cutting this little tip off the end here, and then I'll be cutting the tip off of the actual nozzle. When you cut the tip, just be sure to leave enough threads in order to thread the nozzle on, because you're going to need that for running the silicone. Now I'm just running a nice thick bead of silicone, making sure to fill in all of the gaps in the shower. And also caulking around the soap dish. I'll show you a close-up look. During this process, the silicone doesn't need to be pretty looking. Just run a nice thick bead to ensure that the gap is completely filled in. Now I'm going to show you a quick clip on how I make my soapy solution, which will make the caulking easier to work with and not stick to your finger. So what I'm doing is I'm just adding concentrated Dawn dish soap into a spray bottle full of water. I just mix that until it's kind of a sky blue color. Then I'm going to be spraying that on all the areas that I ran my silicone, getting it good and wet, and also getting the shower pan and anywhere where the silicone might stick completely wet with this soapy solution. This will help ensure that it doesn't stick to any of the surfaces except for underneath where it's wet. Now I'm just using the back of my finger to scrape off any of the excess silicone and dropping it into an empty tube that I used while caulking it in. Remember never to stop in the corner. Here I use my index finger going upward and smoothing it out. I showed you some easy tips on how to do this process in my previous How to Caulk in a Shower Like a Pro video, so check that out too. I'll leave a link to it at the end of this video. If you notice that the silicone is starting to stick to the panels or your finger again, just give it another spray with the soapy water solution and this will help solve your problem. Now we're going to move on to the outside of the shower. Here you're going to want to use an acrylic caulking, also referred to as painter's caulking or latex. You can find this at your local home improvement store. This caulking is able to be painted over, so do not use 100% silicone on the outside of the shower, otherwise paint will not stick to it. Sort of in a similar way, we're going to run a fat bead of this caulking around the shower because we will be spraying it with the soapy solution and smoothing it out with our finger. This caulking almost has more of a clay type feel than the silicone. Just make sure to fill in all the gaps thoroughly around the entire outside of the shower. You're going to want to purchase 2 or 3 tubes of each of these types of caulking to ensure that you have enough to complete all of it. You're going to want to have a small bucket handy full of water with a wet sponge, which will help you smooth out this caulking. Now just spray it down using the same soapy water solution that you just used on the silicone caulking. Here's that sponge and water bucket that I was talking about, and I'm just using an empty caulking tube to put the excess caulking into. Just use your pointer finger and your index finger to wipe off all the extra caulking and smooth it out. You can also go over it with your sponge a little bit to help smooth it out. This caulking is pretty easy to work with and somewhat pliable, almost like working with clay. Just make sure to have that empty tube or a rag handy to put the excess in so that it doesn't drop all over the floor and make a big mess. It might be a good idea to put some drop cloths down on the ground so that you don't get any of this on your nice flooring. but if you do, you can use water to clean it up as this is water soluble. I have these screws in the wall that are just holding up these panels until all of the caulking behind them dries, because I don't want any of my panels coming loose from the wall. So just go around and take your time and smooth out all the caulking with your finger. You can use the back of your nail on your index finger or pointer finger to give more of a defined line in the caulking. Now I'm just going to rinse out my sponge in this clean water bucket and start wiping down the shower and getting rid of any excess latex that might be smeared on the panels and doing my final smoothing it out. The caulking is almost done, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.